How to create an account on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create an account on Roblox, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, tap on create account. Then enter your birth date over here. After you enter your birth date, you can enter your username. And over here, as you can see, you should not use your real name. Then you can use any username of your choice. Then you can enter your gender, that is optional. After you do that, tap on continue. Then Roblox will ask you to create a password for your Roblox account. Now over here, enter your password that will be easier for you to remember. Then after you enter your password, tap on done. And there you go. After you do all that, you will successfully be able to create an account on Roblox. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.